Math Problem of the Week by Alex,
Aryan, Jason,
Jaden,
and David.
Our question this week is, the farmer John Smith wants to know how many legs are in his barn. He knows there are 150 animals inside his barn. Out of those 150 animals, 1/3 are cows, 2/5 are chickens, and 4/15 are pigs. Now out of the cows, 3/10 were brown cows, and 7/10 were white cows. And out of the white cows, 1/5 had 3 legs, and the other 4/5 had 4 legs. Out of the brown cows, 2/5 had 2 legs, and the other 3/5 had 4 legs. Out of the chickens, 5/6 had 3 legs, and the other 1/6 had 2 legs. And finally, out of the pigs, 17/20 had 4 legs, and the other 3/20 had 1 leg. How many legs are in the barn?
Now let's solve the fractions.
So we know there are 150 animals in the barn, and 1/3 of them are cows. So therefore we do 150 divided by 3 because there's 1/3 of the cows, and that will equal to 50. Now let's go to the chickens. 2/5 of 150 animals are chickens. So we do 150 divided by 5, which equals 30, and we do 30 times 2, which equals 60. Then we know that 4/15 are pigs. So what we do now is 150 divided by 15, which equals 10, and we just do 10 times 4, which equals 40, because there's 4/15 are pigs.
Out of 50 cows, 3/10 are brown. So 50 divided by 10 equals 5, and 5 times 3 equals 15. So 15 out of the 50 cows are brown. And 7 out of 10 of the cows are white. So 50 divided by 10 equals 5, and 5 times 7 equals 35. So 35 of the 50 cows are white. There are 60 chickens total, and 5 out of 6 of them have 3 legs. 60 divided by 6 equals 10, and 10 times 5 is 50. So 50 out of the 60 chickens have 3 legs. There are 1/6 of the chickens have 2 legs. So 60 divided by 6 equals 10, and 10 times 1 equals 10. So 10 out of the 60 chickens have 2 legs.
Out of the 40 pigs, 17/20 have 4 legs. So 40 divided by 20 equals 2, and 2 times 17 equals 34. So there are 34 pigs with 4 legs. Now you have 3 out of 20ths that have only 1 leg. 40 divided by 20 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Therefore, you have 6 pigs with only 1 leg.
Out of the 15 brown cows, 3/5 have 4 legs, and 2/5 have 2 legs. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So there are 9 brown 4-legged cows. Then 3 times 2 equals 6. So there are 6 2-legged brown cows. Then for the white cows, there are 4/5 are white cows with 4 legs, and then 1/5 are white cows with 3 legs. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. And then 7 times 4 equals 28. Therefore, there are 28 white cows with 4 legs. Then 7 times 1 equals 7. So 7 white cows have 3 legs.
Now we'll multiply all the subdivided groups by the number of legs they have.
We can't multiply all the animals. We can only multiply the subdivided groups. Otherwise, we'd have 80 pigs, which would be incorrect.
We will take the 4-legged pigs as an example. Since there are 34 of the 4-legged pigs, we will multiply 4 by 34, which will equal 136, which is the total amount of legs they have.
We'll do another example as the 3-legged chickens. There are 50 3-legged chickens, and of course they all have 3 legs. So 50 times 3 equals 150. That's how many legs the 3-legged chickens have in total.
Now we'll calculate all the number of legs for the animals.
Now we'll add the total number of legs together. 150 plus 20 plus 136 plus 6 plus 36 plus 12 plus 112 plus 21 equals 493 total legs.
In total, there are 493 legs in the barn. So now John Smith knows how many legs are in his barn.